lot of frustration for everyone in the north. It's pretty disappointing.
Staffing shortages have been a major issue within Manitoba's healthcare system throughout the pandemic. Now 2 health centres in the Northern Health region are temporarily closed due to persistent staffing issues. Leaf Rapids Health Centre will be closed until January 10th, and Gillam Hospital, a town with over 1,300 residents, is also temporarily closed until January 5th. Gillam Mayor Dwayne Foreman says this is a scary situation for all the residents.
We're somewhat in dire straits. If someone does have a heart attack or anything like that, it's frustrating. And I hope that nothing bad comes of this.
For both Leaf Rapids and Gillam residents, the nearest hospital is in Thompson, Manitoba, well over 200 kilometers away for both communities. NDP MLA for Flin Flon, Tom Lindsay, says many Manitobans living in the north don't have the means to travel 3 hours one way for medical treatments.
We're in the middle of a pandemic. It's minus 40 degrees up north. And now we expect people to load their entire families into a car to get health care. It's wrong on so many levels.
City News has spoken to multiple nurses in the Northern Health region who all disclose the situation at this point is beyond repair and the least the government can do is provide additional resources, but all reiterate nothing has been done. Lindsay says the northern region of the province always gets overlooked.
People in the north are important, and their health is just as important as anybody else's. I mean, it's a constitutionally protected right that this government continues to ignore, simply because they want to slay the deficit and cut budgets.
NDP MP Nikki Ashton voicing her concerns on Wednesday, calling for immediate federal health support. All options must be considered, including bringing in medical personnel from the Canadian Armed Forces. Our region has gone above and beyond to stay safe during this pandemic. These closures are putting our communities, which are already vulnerable, at risk during another wave. Our region needs help now. Dr. Brent Roussin was asked about this situation in Wednesday's press conference. He says it's been a challenging time for healthcare staff.
We have increasing demands on the healthcare system for various reasons, but most notably because of Omicron. And then what we know is just as we're seeing increased number of cases, well, part of those increased cases include healthcare workers.
Foreman says it's time for the government to wake up and provide supports immediately to the north.
Stop trying to nickel and dime and save your money in the north. We're just as important as any other communities in the province.
In Winnipeg, Alex Karpa, City News.